Up watching this rocket. This is a very large and dangerous rocket. This will be two-stage. You'll see one light. It'll burn out, separate. Then the second stage, the sustainer will light and carry the rocket onto apogee. All right, we are. Oh, you actually, this is your system. All right. Okay. Skies are okay. No aircraft in the area. Everybody's standing, watching this rocket.
It's going to go straight through the clouds.
All right, we're ready to go. Okay, counting down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Come on. Yeah.
Lift off. First stage burnout, separation.
Oh!
Second stage did light, but it looks like there was an event, an off-nominal event with the first stage. So somebody track those parts. Multiple parts of the first stage, the booster, are falling back. Second stage, there's a chute. Heads up, there's a piece coming in ballistic.
There it is right there in front of us.
Okay.
Oh!
Wow.
We'll need a fire crew to get out there to check that out.
That's still on fire.
Some of you younger guys.
Oh, man.
All right, there are still pieces in the air. Some may not.